Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I want to say thank you to every one of you that comes around to watch my videos. I really do appreciate. If you are new and you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so as it helps my channel to grow. Thank you so much. So today I'm going to be making egg rolls. Egg roll is one of the snack that we usually eat in my country, Nigeria, and even in the Western world. Now I'm going to be adding the eggs that I will use in a pot, and I'm going to be boiling it. I'm adding water into the pot and I'm going to set it on the stove. This is the flour that I'm going to be using. I have 2 cups of flour. That is half cup of granulated sugar and a spoon of baking powder. So in a sieve, I'm going to be sifting the flour so that it can be smooth, and at times it comes with crumbs, so that those rough edgy parts will be out even in the sugar. I will be adding a spoon of a grated nutmeg. This is optional. You can add it or you use vanilla, whichever one you like is okay. I added nutmeg, and that is the butter that I'm going to be using. Measure your butter to align with the quantity of the flour that you are going to be using. Mix your butter very well so that it will come out looking like crumbs of bread, like so. At this point, I'm going to be adding a little bit of cold water. You don't need too much of water to form your dough. That dough is formed and I'm going to leave it in the refrigerator for a couple of minutes. And this is the peeled egg that was boiled previously. So my dough is ready and I'm going to cut out little parts, and I will go ahead and use my palm to flatten it. You can use your rolling pin as well, but I think this will work for me. Make sure you cover your egg very well, because if you do not, it's going to pop out as soon as you drop it in the hot oil. So try as much as possible to cover it very well. Even when you use your rolling pin to roll out the dough, you are still going to use the surface of your palm to wrap the dough, the egg inside the dough, like so. You have to cover it. Look for means to seal it up very well. So this is what I'm going to be doing till all the eggs are being wrapped in the dough. If you feel that it's sticking in your palm, sprinkle a little bit of flour. And this is the dough that is ready, wrapped inside or with the egg. And I'm going to be frying it in a low heat. You can season your oil. I added a little bit of dry onion and inside the oil. As you're frying, try to always flip your egg roll around so that all the parts of it will be well fried and cooked. this is what I'm going to be doing until my egg roll is turned into a golden brownish color. At that point, you know that it is cooked. Like you can see, the egg roll is ready, and I'm going to scoop it out from the oil. This is the second batch that I'm going to be frying, and I will do the same thing by flipping them around so that all the parts of the dough is going to be well fried. Like I said before, I do appreciate every one of you that always come back to watch my videos. But if you are new to this channel and like you recently come across of this channel, I will appreciate if you will kindly subscribe. Subscription does not cost anything. All you need to do is to click the red button, as it helps my channel to grow. So this is what I'm going to be doing, flipping it around. You can see that the second batch is ready. This is how it looks when it's ready. And this is the egg roll ready. And I'm going to cut it open so you see how inside looks. You can tell that the egg is not overcooked. You can see some freshness in the egg, and the dough is cooked. So thank you guys. I will see you all in my next video. By God's grace. Bye.